If you have just $500 sitting in your bank account, I'm about to share with you 10 business ideas that you can start today, and they have the potential to make you tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars a year. And no, I'm not talking about dropshipping, Amazon FBA, or other overhyped trends. These are real, actionable business ideas that solve problems and create real value. But here's the deal. Starting a business isn't magic. It requires effort, strategy, and commitment. If you're willing to put in the work, any of these businesses can generate serious income. So, let's dive into the first business idea. 1. Become an AI consultant. AI is taking over, but most businesses don't know how to integrate it. That's where you come in. Small businesses, law firms, medical offices, and real estate agencies are all looking for ways to automate tasks and improve efficiency. Your job is to help them implement AI tools. How do you get started? Begin by learning tools like ChatGPT, Otter.ai, Midjourney, and Claude AI. Then, reach out to local businesses and offer a simple service. Help them automate 5+ hours of their work each week. Businesses will pay hundreds or even thousands for your expertise. Big consulting firms charge tens of thousands of dollars for AI integration, but you can start small, build a portfolio, and scale up. If you become good at this, you can easily charge $1,000 plus per business per month. 2. Cleaning service for landlords. Rental properties constantly turn over, and landlords need quick, efficient cleaning services. Most cleaning companies charge too much or don't do a thorough job. If you offer a reliable and affordable turnover cleaning service, you can build a solid business. With just $500, invest in basic cleaning supplies, a good vacuum, and marketing materials. Reach out to local landlords, property managers, and Airbnb hosts. Offer deep cleaning and minor repairs, and once you prove your reliability, you can start getting consistent contracts. This business has huge repeat customers. Once you land a few property managers, you'll have consistent work, and you can scale by hiring a small team. 3. Premium chauffeur service for professionals. Doctors, lawyers, and executives often waste time commuting. What if you could offer them a luxury, distraction-free ride service where they can work on their laptops while you drive? This isn't Uber. This is a premium service. Invest in a professional-looking car or rent one, dress professionally, and market your service as an executive chauffeur. Offer subscription-based rides where professionals can pay a flat monthly fee for daily or weekly commutes. Many professionals earn $200 plus per hour. If you save them time, your service becomes a no-brainer investment. 4. Content creation with a business focus. Most people create content just for views, but what if you created content to drive sales? Businesses need engaging videos for social media, but they don't know how to do it. With just a phone and a simple video editing app, you can start creating engaging TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube shorts for businesses. If you can create 10 to 15 short videos per week for a business and charge $1,000 per month, you only need 5 clients to make $5,000 per month. Start by offering free trials to local businesses, then upsell your services once they see the results. 5. Short-form video editing for influencers. Content creators are making millions, but they need editors. If you can master short-form video editing with high engagement strategies, captions, zooms, animations, and viral hooks, you can make serious money. Learn software like CapCut, Premiere Pro, or DaVinci Resolve. Reach out to small creators who are growing, offer a few free edits, and then charge per video or on a monthly retainer. Once you establish yourself, you can easily scale by outsourcing editing work to freelancers. 6. Real estate video services. Realtors are spending more money than ever on marketing. The best way to sell homes now? high-quality video tours. With a smartphone stabilizer, $100, and a basic microphone, you can start shooting smooth cinematic home tours. Offer your services to real estate agents and charge per video. Once you build a portfolio, you can increase prices and land bigger clients. Upsell drone footage or interior photography to increase your earnings. 7. Virtual personal training. The fitness industry has changed. Many busy professionals want personalized training but don't have time for the gym. You can offer digital personal training sessions via Zoom, customized workout plans, or video-on-demand workouts. Start by finding a niche: corporate professionals, busy moms, or seniors. Build a small audience on social media, offer free content, and convert them into paying clients. You can charge $50 to $100 per session or create a $20 to $50 per month subscription model.